What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, what's up? I'm Jen, glad you could join me. And if you're a returning viewer, what's up? What's good? How you been? Glad you made it back. Alright, so today we are doing Main Monday. Woohoo! Something on my tongue. Anyway, because we are back in the bathroom. So today's going to be a little different. I've brushed all the knot balls out of my hair and I'm about to jump in the shower. This one is it's called the Soft Lamb Steam Hair Mask. So you're supposed to put this on while you're in the shower. So I'm going to read all of the info here and then jump my little happy butt in the shower, wash my hair, then Tom's going to come in and assist me and film me putting this on. You will not be able to see me below the neck, so it will all be PG, no worries. But before we get started, don't let me forget to say, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? I mean, let's do this. You know what to do. Hit that button. Hit the bell so you get notified. You know what it is. I say this every freaking video. I feel like a pest. So stop making me be a pest and just do what you gotta do, dude. Just do what you're supposed to do. Now, let's jump into these directions. All right, it says hip chic, hip cheek, hip cheek. All right, Soft Lamb Steam Hair Mask. This easy-to-use, do-it-yourself steam hair mask is a fun and adorable way to improve the look and feel of split ends, stressed out, and unruly frizzy hair. Directions. Number 1. After shampoo the hair, I know the directions are a little. After shampoo the hair, gently remove the excess water and gather the hair towards the top. Open mask and cover over hair. Number 2, tighten the mask around the head so there is no space for the cream to get out and sticker the bottom around the head. I'm guessing it'll all make sense when I pull this out because it's a little, like I said, a little woo. All right, so sticker the bottom around the head. Number 3, gently massage the highly concentrated nutrient treatment all over the head so the cream is evenly absorbed. And number 4, after 10 to 15 minutes, take off mask and rinse off the treatment with water. And it does have some pictures here for directions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Alright. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in the shower, shampoo my hair. Then instead of using a conditioner, Tom's going to come in here. He's going to film me putting this on my head, rubbing it in. Then I'm going to take a break on the filming, finish my shower, and when I take the stuff off and rinse my hair, Tom will help film with that as well. And then I will give my thoughts and see what it do. All right, so I'll be back, guys. Smoocheroos. All right, so I'm back. I'm in the shower. I've wrung up my hair out. I'm wearing a bathing suit top, so just in case, no issues. Okay, so we'll wring it out. And we're going to take it out of the package. Alright, and here we go. Oh, this is different. Okay, so, jeez, this thing's big. Okay, so I guess, oh, I see, okay. So we're going to pull my hair all up on my head, like this. Alright, I'm going to throw this on my head. As best I can. These are always fun little tasks, let me tell you. Alright, so it's got this strip here to gather everything, and then you're supposed to like tape it like a diaper, I guess. Sort of. Now if I have a few stray hairs, I am not stressing it. This is too much work. I can't see. Alright, I think it goes this way. Yeah, okay. So we're going to throw that there. I'm going to take this and kind of tape it like that. And I'm going to rub it on my head like it said. Now, I can't see what I'm doing. I probably would have done this in the mirror or something, but we're doing the best we can. Now, we're supposed to do this. Make sure it saturates all the hair. I'm going to flip my head over a little bit. Shake it in there. Like that. Don't get my bottom half.
Don't worry, I'm staying you out of it.
Alright. I think it's well saturated. We're going to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes now. I'm going to finish showering. Don't mind the stray hair. And then we'll take it off and rinse it. So I'll be back. Smooches. Perfect. Okay, so we're back. I'm going to take this thing off and then make sure I have well saturated all of my hair. Not really anything left, but I'm just going to make sure it's rubbed in there. Okay. Put that there. Make sure I rub on everywhere else. And now I'm going to rinse this out. And I will see you when I get out of the shower. Smoochies. Bye. What's up, guys? I'm back. So this is the finished look. Let me turn this down a little bit. There we go. I let it air dry because I didn't want to you know, mess with it too much. The whole point, I do try and let my hair air dry as much as possible to kind of avoid any extra damage, you know. So I really hate to use the blow dryer unless I have to. So in this situation, I did let it air dry, which is why it's got kinks and stuff from having it back in a pony to keep it off my face while it dried. But yeah, it really worked well. I feel like my hair, it hasn't knotted up at all like it normally would. It feels nice and silky and smooth, but it doesn't feel like greasy or anything like that. Like you sometimes with conditioners, if they're too heavy or whatever, they can leave that filmy, greasy residue. None of that. My hair just looks naturally healthy, and it's not frizzy. It came out not frizzy. Really smooth and silky feeling, and it doesn't feel like weighed down either, like heavy from a heavy conditioner. So all in all, I'm definitely going to purchase more of these. I really enjoyed it. 2 thumbs up from me. I really think it did a great job and worth the money. I will list all the info below as usual, and you know what to do if you enjoyed this. Give it a big thumbs up because it does help me out. And of course, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? You know, you're just join the Jersey Army. Let's go. Let's do this. I love you guys. And until the next one, smoochies.